This is a family recipe. My mama, no, we call her Mama here, my mom, she made this recipe gluten-free for me because she knew how much I wanted to enjoy just our family recipe of pasta and sauce and meatballs. So why don't you tell them what's going on here? We put the sausage in the pot to get the sauce going.
We really wanted to make meatballs, but if you're going to make a sauce too, you should get that started right away.
Get a little sausage, get us some pork fat in there.
So we're getting that started. We're getting the sauce started with sausage. Now we're going to throw in some onion.
Okay.
That will brown. Yep.
Salt. Okay. Pepper.
Is this how I taught you?
Making a mess.
Is this how I taught you?
It's my kitchen. Nobody will notice if you make a mess.
But this right here is the secret ingredient.
A little pinch of sugar.
Salt.
Yeah.
A little bit of sugar.
Sugar.
You add your tomatoes.
Right.
These are cans of
3
tomatoes.
cans.
We love those.
A little basil.
And we let that go. Now, when we make the meatballs, we would normally do, my mom substituted in grits. We did this for Deliciously
For breadcrumbs.
I love that.
Right.
And
So
she-
what I like to do is moisten the breadcrumbs when I make that, or moisten this when I make it gluten-free.
Or moisten the grits, right?
Right.
Yeah. And it just
So
works. She
just-
tells
just
me to do
about
it,
a
and I just
table-
do it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm in timeout.
I got to turn
ahead.
this around with this.
Okay, so you do that. Then you add some
just
cheese.
to moisten them.
Parmesan. Love
Two.
Parmesan.
A lot of
Or
cheese.
Romano. I look up.
What are you measuring for? Just put some cheese in. All these little things.
You got eggs. Okay, put that in there. Breadcrumbs. Parsley.
Garlic.
Garlic. You're good at garlic.
I already smell like garlic,
Listen.
so it's fine. I'll take one for the team.
You get that all good and messy and all, and you mix it all up with your hands. Our kids like to do it with their hands. And then it ends up looking like this, which is good. I always think
look, we
meatballs
got
are so
balls.
pretty. We got balls.
We got balls.
So you mix that up. And this is, I think anybody knows you remember what you grow up with. And so my grandmother, Mama, had this, and it just brings me right back to her. And that's why I love
Now,
it.
do you guys brown your balls, or do you drop them right into the
We
sauce?
brown the
We
balls.
brown them.
Brown the balls. You like them?
We like them.
You
All right,
brown
take
these
the
out.
brown balls, put them in the doodad.
So now when they're all brown, you add them to the sauce. And I love them brown. And my grandmother, I used to say in the book, I talk about Mama's meatballs because I would wait at the counter when I was little with my grandmother, and she'd give me one before they went into here, okay? Now
Put some sauce on the pasta.
Put some sauce on the pasta. So this is actually, if you're gluten-free, whether you're celiac or not, I think the gift of passing down your family recipes is probably something that I really stumbled with and like struggled with, because how am I gonna have these tastes go down in our family? This was a gift to me, for my mom to be able to translate this recipe gluten-free.
Look,
at that.
there's so much pasta that won't fit in the bowl.
Yum! That was a great
Here,
meatball.
baby.
Here, I got you, Rachel.
Here, baby.
Thank you.
There you go.
I got you.
All right, she's dishing up my spaghetti. That recipe is part of the Deliciously G-Free. It's in that cookbook. But everybody goes home today with Elisabeth's new book, Point of View.
Thank you.